Yo, I'm Jeff, and this is Mini Garage. So we're putting the motor mounts in. We've got the front end together. We're gonna stab the motor tranny in this so we can line up the transmission crossmember. So we got the motor and transmission sitting in here, and the crossmember is bolted in underneath. Now we just got to build some brackets so that it works. And the driveline will clear that, and everything will be happy. We might need to get, yeah, that crossmember is going to have to come up about an inch, looks like, because that angle, the motor angle, is not right. Lift the back of the tail shaft and put, I don't know, about an inch. Yeah, just right up there under the tail shaft. No, not under the crossmember, under the yeah. That's still not enough. Okay. Well, we're gonna do some figuring because that angle, that motor angle is way off. It needs to be more flush. It doesn't sit in the truck like that. That's not how it's. Now we're getting there. Why is that? Okay. Got it. So we're getting ready to make a transmission crossmember, and we've got 7 degrees on the valve cover, which is 2 degrees more than the stock one. In the stock truck it sits at 5 degrees, so we're going to raise the transmission up just a little bit more. And I've got a plan, a solid plan for the tranny crossmember, and we'll show you that as we get going here. So the first thing we're going to do is take a piece of this 2x4 and cut 6 inches off to go bolt to the bottom of the transmission, just like the factory crossmember. So it's going to be a 2x4, 6 inches long. We're going to cut that right now. Now we've got our 2x4 chunk, and probably if you flip it over, yes, you can mark his holes, and it will be, is it centered? Let's see. The tail of the tape. What are the holes center to center?
2.
2? And that's 6 inches long? So the center is 3? Alright, is that where your center is there? Is it 3? It's 3/8, isn't it?
I think so.
Yeah. That's not gonna work. Start over. Cut a whole new piece. Look at him, he's so serious. Now he's marking the center, he's marking the holes. Look at that. Yes. Oh my God, such precision, Cobb. Right. You gonna drill those on the drill press?
Should.
You probably should. All right. So the Kabowski got his holes drilled. Set up there, kid. Show everybody how it fits. So it'll bolt in. Now we're gonna take it back and down, flip it over. Now we have to flip it upside down. Now we have to get a hole to the back so you can put the nuts on. What do you think the best way to do that is? You don't want to cut a square hole, do you?
Oval.
Huh?
Oval it.
Oval it? All right, so we'll take the hole saw, we'll drill 2 holes, and we'll connect it in the middle. Now you just open that up with a hole saw. I'm gonna slice along here and here, and have an opening to get to his bolts. So Cobb got his notch trimmed out of here so we can get to the bolts. The next piece that we made, and he's making the other one right now, is this piece here. This is gonna go well on the side to cap that off, and the bar is gonna go through there. We'll have a gusset. So we'll weld the bar on the bottom and through there. He's making another one right now. So we got 2 of these plates angled down and cut, so the tube will run through here. And he's over there cutting the tube right now. So he tacked the caps on it. The tube will go through there. That'll get flipped over and bolted to the transmission, so he's gonna do that. And then I got a plan to attach the tubes to the frame where it'll bolt and unbolt. So Cobb, bolt that to the transmission. So now he's got this bolted to the bottom of the transmission. And we're gonna plate both sides of the frame. We've got these square plates here. He's gonna clamp one down. You're gonna clamp one down. Yep, and then you're gonna drill some holes and bolt it in place. Well, we kind of got ahead here, but we got the tube in, got it tacked in here, got it tacked there, plates bolted in, and that's our cross member. So he's gonna pull it out, finish weld everything up, get it cleaned up. Good job, Cobb. Do you feel accomplished? No? Eric?
Looks good.
Looks good. Ron?
No boo for a Mazda.
Well, that was the transmission cross member install. I don't know what happened with the camera in the last little bit there. It went screwy. I don't know. Me twisting, turning, whatever. But something simple turns into a lot of stuff, and we got it done. It looks cool. It'll hold up good, and yeah, that's the next piece of the puzzle. We needed to have that in order to get the measurements for the driveline. I think we got that. Well, I know we got that, and he's not having it built yet, but we got that taken care of. Join us next time on Mini Garage when we throw the bed on and start on that and see what we can get going there. Till then, Mini Garage, we out.